now, police.
There we go.
I right now, and then
Honestly, why was Tonga so mad
and
before?
they want to let go of the boat.
That's finally joined.
Guys, what's on this better? This one? Ah! Or this one? Yo, what am I hearing from TJ, bro?
That was fun.
I wasn't even talking.
Shut the fuck up, TJ.
I wasn't even talking, dude. What shit I gotta go?
Guys, I'm sorry I'm late.
Get out. Get out.
Stop. Be quiet. Stop yelling. Stop. Please stop yelling. Enter.
Can you please stop it? I'm just trying to go over to my friend. Please stop.
Shut the fuck up, Leah! Yo, what is TJ saying? Is this nigga 3? Oh my god, I can't believe TJ would say that type shit. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, little macaroni. I don't understand why TJ be saying this shit, bro. He's been saying the N-word being racist this entire time. For real, I got it clipped. Fuck TJ.